Hey there, I am Startup Coach Manoj and welcome to Startup Growth Hub. If you're a startup founder, you have probably faced this moment. You have worked hard on your idea, but the feedback you are getting, it's not what you expected. Maybe people don't see the value. Maybe they are just saying this is not working. Oof, that hurts really, right? But what if, just what if, that feedback is not a rejection, but a redirection to something even better? That's what we are talking about today. When do you listen to feedback and pivot? And when do you push through? Let's break it down. Number one, feedback. A wake-up call, not an attack. First thing first, feedback is not a personal attack. It's a reality check. If you are hearing the same thing from different people, I wouldn't pay for this, I need something different, that's not something to ignore. That's a clue. A big flashing neon sign telling you to rethink your direction. Number two, are you solving a real problem or not? Let's be real. People don't pay for things they don't need. They pay for painkillers, not vitamins. So ask yourself, is your startup solving an urgent, painful problem or not? Or is it just a nice to have? Because if it's not urgent, getting people to buy in will always be an uphill battle. Got it? Number three, data over ego. Now I get it. Your idea is your baby. I know that. You have put in time, effort, maybe even your own money. But the market doesn't care about effort. It cares about value. Instead of defending your idea, step back and look at the patterns in the feedback. Is it the price, the product, the messaging? Look at data, not just opinions. Number four is the wow test. A simple test. When you explain your idea, do people say, wow, I need this? Or do they just nod and say, that's interesting? If you are getting a lukewarm responses, that's a problem. A strong no is better than a weak maybe, because at least then you know where you stand. Number five, pivots that made millions. Do you need proof that pivoting works? Let's talk about Instagram. It started as a check-in app before shifting focus to just photos. And what about Slack? It was originally a gaming company before becoming the communication tool we all know now. The point, a pivot is not a failure, it's an upgrade. Sixth point, the adjacent possible. Now, pivoting doesn't always mean starting from scratch. Sometimes it just means shifting your focus slightly. Maybe your business model needs some tweaking. Maybe a certain feature is getting traction. Could that be the main product? Sometimes. Instead of throwing everything away, look at what is already working and build from there, from that platform. Seventh point, ask one question. Would you pay for this? Before you pivot, validate the new direction. Don't just assume people will like it. Go and ask them, would you pay for this? Would this solve your problem? If they hesitate, or on a worst case, if they say, it's nice but they wouldn't pay, then you are still not there yet. You got that? Eighth point is pivoting is not equal to starting over. Think of a pivot like changing lanes on a highway, not rebuilding the car from scratch. You already have resources and you already have skills and learnings, so use them. This is an evolution, not a reset button where you want to start again from scratch. The ninth point, trust the process, not just passion. Look, passion is great, but passion alone doesn't build successful startups. The market decides what works. If the market is telling you something is not clicking, listen to that. Then adapt to that. Keep your passion, but pair it with the strategic decisions. And the last point, welcome to a smarter you. At the end of the day, every pivot makes you stronger, smarter, and more prepared. Whether you decide to pivot or push through, the goal is growth, nothing else. Smart founders don't just work hard, they work on the right things. So that's all for today. If you are at crossroads with your startup, don't do it alone. Join my free webinars where I break down strategies like this in more detail. Plus, become part of our vibrant startup community where you can learn, grow, and get real-time feedback. The link to join the community is there in the description. Hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense startup insights. Let's build something that lasts. Thank you.